Hello, good day. I am Teacher Bernadette and welcome to today's lesson. Today, we are going to learn some words about cooking. These words will help you talk about food and how to prepare it. Are you ready? Let's get started. The first word is boil. Can you say it again? Boil. Good job. It means to heat a liquid until it bubbles and turns to vapor. A sample sentence: we boil water to make tea. One more time. Can you say it with me? Boil. Great job! Now, try the sentence. We boil water to make tea. That's awesome! Now let's have the second word. And the next word is slice. Like slice. It means to cut something into thin, flat pieces. A sample sentence: I slice tomatoes for the salad. Please repeat after me. Slice. One more time. Slice. Great job! And now the sentence. I slice tomatoes for the salad. Good job! Now we have grate. One more time. Grate. Oh, wow, that's nice. It means to shred food into small pieces by rubbing it against a grater. A sample sentence: I grate cheese to put on my pasta. Say it with me. Grate. One more time. Grate. Excellent. And the sentence: I grate cheese to put on my pasta. Very good. And the next word is fry. One more time. Fry. Good job. It means to cook food in hot oil or fat. And a sample sentence: I fry eggs for breakfast. Now, can you say it with me? Fry. And the sentence: I fry eggs for breakfast. Well done! And now let's have the last word. And our last word for today is spread. One more time. Spread. Good job! It means to put a layer of something onto a surface. A sample sentence: I spread butter on my toast. Say it with me. Spread. One more time. Spread. Excellent. And the sentence: I spread butter on my toast. Perfect. All right. Good job. Now try using these words to describe things around you, like at home or in the kitchen. Now, can you say all the words one more time with me? Boil. Slice. Grate. Fry. Spread. Very good. And that's all for today's lesson. Thank you for learning with me, and I'll see you next time.